Okay, Token2049 Dubai this year, 2025. Let's go. First thing that I recommend you to do, buy the ticket. It's not very expensive. Get the tickets. Don't like, of course, you will have a ton of side events, but the main event is also worth it. You will meet good companies, there are good people, and having a badge and having something on your wristband saying that, hey, I have been at the main event. It means a lot. Trust me. When you go on an event and you see a bunch of people wearing those things, then and you don't have it, then you will feel that you're missing out or something else. You need to be a part of the pack. So blend in. That's your job of a sales BD. Blend in, be a good guy, and do your work. Do the business. Second thing, watch my event webinar preparation. It's 70 minutes of free value. I will leave the link below in the description. As well, around that link, I will leave the link to join my community. We're gonna create a group of people that are going to Token 2049. So we have a group of friends, group of almost relatives that are connected by the idea of a Web3 BD to go there, connect there, and have a good time in Dubai. Third thing, use Enreach to scale your outreach. I'm not saying this because I'm selling Enreach, because I do, but you would need to use Enreach because it just allows you to touch so much more people in comparison to what you can do manually. And the goal is not to go and spam the market with your message. The goal is to have a leverage on your energy and your activity, because there is a limited amount of people that you can personally message and have a conversation with. But if you're using software, it just helps you to still send personalized, hyper interesting messages to people that you should be talking with, but just doing it at a higher scale and wasting less time on following ups or doing activity. I definitely recommend checking out Enreach. Again, DM me in Telegram if you want to learn more. We have around 5,000 people that are coming to Token, so something that you can choose from definitely. Fourth is going to be joining Token 2049 communities. I'm going to leave these things in the description as well. And the last one, which is optional, but only a true OG will know what I'm talking about, is attend scuba diving classes and buy some gear in case Dubai is going to be flooded again this year like it was last year. And avoid standing near walls in Dubai because they can collapse sometimes if they're experiencing too much rain. Now, that's mostly it, guys. It was a pleasure for talking to you here. Again, all the links are below in the description. Check out the webinar, check out the community, check out Enreach, and check out the communities. Thank you. See ya. Next video is about the good side events at Token 2049, so stay tuned.